Anu Malik, welcome to CNN News 18.
Thank you.
Anuji, first, congratulations. You have a new song out called Aag Laga Di that
Ji,
actually is applied for all your songs, but this is a holy song featuring the voices of your daughter Anmol Malik and Neil Kamal Singh along with yours.
जी sir.
So then, sir, how this song was born? When
देखिए ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने चाह रखी हर बार कि भाई कोई ऐसा गाना बनाऊं. You see, Holi festival is one of my most loved festival. I love Holi as I love Diwali. I love every festival of India, but Holi holds a very special place in my heart due to various factors. As a kid, I was fascinated by people being sprinkled with colors. When I was a young boy and when we used to play Holi, I used to wait for Holi. And then when I grew up and I realized there are songs being made, I had already turned into a composer. And I was also fascinated by a song called Rang Barse, uh, which is one of my most loved songs. And I said, oh my God, is it possible to even come close to such an iconic song as a composer? So I got a situation once in the film called Waqt uh, by Vipul ji. Can you make a Holi song? And I made this song, Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi. I said songs that can be played in Holi will be wonderful. Can I crack this code of making a popular song? And it worked. Like that song, Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi. Rango mein hai pyar ki boli. The song really is played even today. And
yes,
then as time passed, years passed, I remember one day, sitting at home and wondering, yaar, kitne saal ho gaye, I have not made a song on a Holi, you know.
yeah,
Go back to Waqt so many years back and can I do it
almost
again?
almost 20 साल हो गए.
20 saal ho gaye. I said, can I do it again? Can I crack this code again? It was a daunting task and I didn't know how to go about it. And one day I had this chance meeting with Bhushan Kumar Sahab, Bhushan ji of T series. And I'm very fond of him. I just love and adore him. And he was saying, you know what, कोई चीज लाओ यार, होली आ रही है सामने and कुछ दिमाग में अगर है तो बताओ. So I said, wow, this is the motivation that Bhushan ji wants a song on Holi, you know? And that was the turning point of my motivation. I said, okay, I'll put my heart and soul into it. So when I started working on the tune format and what I want in the song, it wasn't easy. And suddenly, while sitting, I remember actually I went out for a drive and on the road, somebody was telling me, Arey, aag laga di, aag laga di, aag laga di, aag laga di. So I think this catchphrase is mine when I said that in 2004, if I'm not wrong, for my first Indian Idol. So that became like whenever people look at me, they say, aag laga di, aag laga di. So I went back to the drawing table. I went back to my sitting room, sat down, and I got this tune in my head, like, then da 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 da. I was just humming it without any words. Da 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 da. But I had the line in my head. Aaya Holi ka tyohar. Da da. Then I didn't have any word. Da 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 da. Da da di da da do. But this hook line came into my head. Aag laga di, aag laga di, aag laga di, aag laga di, aankh maar ke. So suddenly I hummed it to Bhushan ji and the team. They freaked out. They said, "Yaar, ye punchline badi zabardast hai. Aag laga di, aag laga di." So we got Kumar to write the lyrics, and he did an incredible job. You know, jeans top mein pehen ke aayi. So the way he wrote it and discussing the singers, I found Anmol humming this song so well. So I said, let's push in Anmol's voice because she's got a very nice tone. So Bhushan ji heard her voice and said, I like this tone very much. Why don't we get Anmol in? So when Anmol walked in and we were looking for a singer, and we have this brilliant singer, Neil Kamal, who not only sang this song so well, he actually understood my expressions to the T. All in all, then we went into the production stage, and I was sitting with my sound producer Jackie, and we said, "यार कुछ अलग ही लेके आते हैं." So we jammed and jammed for hours, and the result is now today it's trending. Right now, when we are talking, this song is trending, and how? So I'm very grateful to Saraswati Ma, actually.
Oh, nice to hear, sir. But, sir, you of course have worked with some of the biggest names, right from Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Alka Yagnik, to even with the younger lot. What is that special quality or uniqueness about Anmol's voice when you recorded the song with her?
You see, she is from the new young generation today, and जो नाम आप ले रहे हो, they are incredible singers. I mean, when you talk about Lata Mangeshkar to Alka ji, I mean, in Asha ji, I mean, ये यहाँ तो मतलब बस उन्हें दोनों हाथ से नमन ही है. But Anmol has a distinctive, beautiful tone, and which is loved. Now, the fact that the song is doing well, people have loved it. There is something nice to her, her style of singing, which is hers. And I'm grateful that T-Series fell in love with the voice and said, yes, we like this voice and we want to get this voice recorded on this song. But Anmol can speak more about herself. I wouldn't want to speak. She does not like me speaking about her. Honestly, she says, leave my work and let my work do the talking.
So then, Holi की गानों की बात हो रही है. Anuji, do you think, you of course made इससे पहले Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi, and now this आया होली का त्योहार. That's. Do you think a Holi song should have the word Holi in it, or without Holi mention के भी होली का गाना बन सकता है?
Oh, you do? No, you can. Why not? It's now you're inspiring me again to make a new Holi song without the word Holi. But I think when you say, I even if in this song, Vishal, I've avoided the typical way Holi hai as much as I could. It's just the आया होली का त्योहार. भाई होली का त्योहार है तो बोलेंगे उसके बारे में ना.
But do you think people आज say Holi hai now that trend has gone to the 80s?
No. ऐसी बात नहीं है. It's I wouldn't mind using the word holy hai also. Holy hai to hai, but if you can, think out of the box always. It's challenging and daunting, but it works. People love to know how you can make a song on Holi without using the word holy as less as possible. But then again, I love to use the word holy. Holi is my favorite word. I love it. I love this festival.
So then, what is your earliest memory of celebrating Holi?
I have great memories of Holi from morning. We used to start playing Holi at about 9 o'clock in the morning as a child and not end till 4:35. And the food, the friends, you didn't know what you were eating. You were just enjoying the mithais and the rang and the bon homi and people just putting colors on you. It's beautiful. If it's played beautifully and with a lot of warmth, where they sprinkle colors and without harming you, I think is one of the best festivals in the world.
So, which are some of the songs that were part of your playlist, or the one you grown up listening to? Holi songs.
बहुत से गाने, लेकिन I never ever got over रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरस. I loved it for its tune, formation by Hari Prasad Chaurasi and Shivji, and I love the way it was written and sung by the legendary, the one and only Amitabh Bachchan Saab. It can't get better than this. We are not even close to this iconic song, but I've tried in Do Me a Favor, Let's Play Holi, and especially now, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आंख मार के तूने आग लगा दी, तीन तब में डलनी नहीं, ले ले ठुमका, मार तुमला, ओ आया होली का त्योहार, मेरे गालों पे रंग रगड़ दे, मैं बुरा ना मानू यार, ओए ओए आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आंख मार के तूने आग लगा दी. I think people have caught on to this word in a very big way. I've been hearing today, इतना जल्दी गाना इतना ट्रेंड होगा, I never imagined.
आजकल इंस्टा रील्स पे गाना जल्दी कैच करता है, कैच अप
बहुत जल्दी पकड़ लिया गाना रील्स के ऊपर भी, ट्रेंड पर. It was 28, suddenly it's gone to 24, I think 24, 25 suddenly in just 3-4 hours. बहुत बड़ी बात है.
But Anuj ji, क्या time मिलता है? I know you can make a song from any situation. खड़े खड़े you can make a song. But do you have interest in reading poetry and do you like to read some modern poetry? Do you get time?
Yeah, I love poets. You see, I have been very, very blessed to have worked with poets like Javed Akhtar Sahab, Gulzar Sahab, Katil Shifai, Rahat Indori, Majru Sultanpuri Sahab, and you name it. Um, songs like, I mean, poetry of these great masters, क्या कहना है? इनसे तो बहुत कुछ सीखा है हमने इनकी poetry से.
You know, your film Dam Laga Ke Haisha completed 10 years a few days ago. I think everyone remember that
Yes, yes.
film with its music, especially the song Ye Mo Mo Ke Dhage. The soundtrack really gives you that
जी
feeling
जी
of nostalgia. How you decided or
जी
designed the
जी जी.
soundscape of that Mo Ke Dhage? कैसे आपने
वो
इंस्ट्रूमेंट
एक दिन विशाल इसके बारे में लंबी बात आराम से करेंगे because मोहम्मद के धागे is very special to me because of the fact that it was at a time when I really needed work. Aditya Chopra sahab got me into his Wire banner, and Varun Grover has written amazing lyrics, and Sharad Kataria made an amazing film. So मैं एक दिन आराम से विस्तार में बात करूंगा इसके बारे में.
You know, I've been talking to many composers and I frequently ask them how impromptu are they when it comes to creating songs or music. And they all say, you know, we need solace, we need time. But at the same time, everybody says it's only Anu Malik, who's one composer in the industry who can create a song instantly.
Vishalji, I've been composing as long as I remember when I was only 7. I remember that I have always stated this, that I will state it again while talking to you, that it is not me, it is Saraswati Ma's blessings. It comes from via my father, the late and great Sardar Malik Sahab. I honed my talent because I felt that I have this gift, and I started honing it by understanding the nuances of music. I'm not a learned musician, but it comes to me naturally. And yes, I love composing music suddenly when I really feel like composing. For example, I'm now talking to you while driving in the car, and there is a possibility that I'll be at the back of my mind, I may be coming up with a tune which I don't know what it is, but I'll start putting it into words. It happens to me all the time. It's a continuous process of creation, and I can only thank Saraswati Ma for it. Whereas all the other composers who say that I make tunes very fast, thank you. I really respect all the other composers who also made great music. But yes, sometimes there have been times when I've not been able to compose at all. For example, there have been days when I worked so hard on tunes like "Ae Jaate Hue Lamho," and I remember a song like "Panchi Nadiya Pawan Ke Jhoke" or "Refugee Ho." There is a film called Janeman and Ashoka, which people don't talk about, but it had one of my best scores. There has been Aks and Filal and Fiza. So there's been a lot of hard work also behind those tunes. Not been कि भी 2 मिनट में बना लिए गाने.
But you know, Alka Yagnik, who was diagnosed with a rare hearing disorder, uh,
Yeah.
does that also worry you, sir? As a singer, you also listen to a lot of singer or to the music, and you do a lot of singing.
So, Abhi, when you talk about Alka ji, I am actually, you know, we all composers are shocked at what we heard. She is one of the most iconic singers, and her contribution to my music has been immense. And I really wish her speedy recovery. But yes, we have to keep on working and praying that everything goes well is all we can say at this point of time.
And you know, your song "Chamma Chamma" was used in the Nicole Kidman starrer
Ji,
Moulin
ji,
Rouge.
ji, ji,
It was directed by Baz Luhrmann.
ji, ji.
What's so special do you think about that song that appealed to a global audience, sir?
It's a very catchy song, and the word chamma, oh chamma, chamma, yeah, chamma, chamma. Uh, it had a kind of a freedom in its composition. It had a kind of a flair in its composition and the words, and the way Alkaji sang that song, and the way it was picturized on Urmila Matondkar. It caught the fancy of the country, the nation, and people still remember the song. And Rajkumar Santoshi really picturized it so well with his choreographer. I mean, जितनी तारीफ की जाए उर्मिला matondkar की कम है, and with Amrish Puri ji and other people, it all fell into place. It is just not the song, it is everything that संगीत एक संगत का काम होता है. सब लोग जब साथ में आते हैं, where it is sound production, writing of the song by Sameer ji, the entire format of the song really worked.
Well, I one day want to sit with you and talk to you about your famous music sittings. The one I remember I saw you sitting with the harmonium with Amitabh Bachchan in the documentary made by Nasreen Muni Kabir.
Yes, yes, yes. That was only when I was 18 years old or on to 19. I remember I was completely in awe. I still am in awe of Amitabh Bachchan sir, but sitting there in front of the singer with my legendary director Manmohan Desai, who would go ahead and give me a film like Mard and Tufan with Amitabh Bachchan when I'm at such a young age. It's something which I will remember and be thankful to God and Manmohan Ji and Amitabh Bachchan for the rest of my life.
Well, sir, with that, I want to thank you for talking to me. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi to you and keep on dancing to that. आग लगा दी आग लगा दी आग लगा दी आग लगा दी आंख मार के तूने आग